Now, once we know exactly what is digital footprints, and I'm sure that in the past, lower grades also, we have studied a lot about digital footprints. Now, since we are very much aware that this will be a group activity, so the teachers will make a group of 4 students or less than 4 students, but the maximum count of per group will be 4. Now, the next task that will be assigned to you is that you can think of different ways through which you will be leaving digital footprints in their online environment or on internet. Now, per member, that is per student, will minimum think about 3 or 4 things or 3 or 4 ways through which they are able to leave a digital footprints on internet. Now, think of ways that one uses or might use the internet. Once you have several idea, type online actions in cell A1. So I've already prepared this. In cell A1, I will be typing online actions. I hope we are very much aware till now exactly how to find out the cell address from here. Then moving ahead, once you have typed the header, bold the header. So just select it and B or Control B is the shortcut through the keyboard through which we are able to do the header as bold. Then under the header, at least at 10 ways that people uses the internet or 3 for each student working in a group. So as I said, each and every student will minimum have to find out 3 ways through which they are able to leave a digital footprints on the internet or how they are using internet. Done. Now I will be giving you certain time in order to think about or brainstorm exactly how we are using internet or how are the ways through which we will be leaving digital footprints in the online environment. Add a header for your list. I have already added and add at least 10 activities or 3 per group to your spreadsheets. Now, in order to show you, I have already list out these particular activities. So I will be just copy pasting this and going on the part and pasting it over here. Done. So my first task is done where I have listed few of the activities which a person does on internet through which they are able to leave digital footprints. Once this part is done, we will be moving to the next part.